Creating goals. First, give your goal a name, type of goal, and a brief description. Then set the goal amount and the goal trigger. You can choose to let the system calculate the date you will have sufficient funds, or let you know if your savings will be available to reach that target date. If there are multiple goals, you can set priorities. Now, choose which accounts participate in contributing. For instance, for HBP you would choose only RRSPs. A goal snapshot lets the planner know how many funds are already allocated toward the goal. The system will use this as the starting point. RetirePlan.ca